Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have Instagram social media banner set. Here is a font, link and image. Double click and you see free Google fonts and free CCO images and partner. So you can download, just simply click here and go on website. Okay, and here is first template, 541 MB, and here is total file is 1.16 GB. Wow. So first I drag this file to Photoshop. Reading Photoshop format, please wait because here is 200 or 100 banner in one template. Wow. Here is blogs, extract. You see here is 25 and 25, I think there. Fashion, 25 here, 25 here, 25, and I think here is 125. Here is events, quiz, and here is shop, here is fashion and blogs. So very simple. Here is fashion. You click on here, change background, and here is image. You see image, and here is text. You write anything. Same here, you write anything, or if you want save up 40%, 30%, 10%, if you like you can edit it. Here is background photo, and here is online shop, and background. Here is okay, frame. You see white frame color, and here is background, and this is image. Okay, so very easy and very simple. Here is fashion, Paris, and here is blog. So I extract a shop. Here is shop, and last is quiz. You can edit your own words or sentence. Start now center from freelance photography workshop. Okay, upcoming events. So I write anything. Upcoming Sheri or Sheri SKs is best for PSD. Write anything if you want or if you like. So next file is here. That's mean 250 total templates of in 2 templates. Okay. Reading Photoshop format. Wow. First I show you these are templates. Here is first are cooking. Write anything. Click here. Change background color. Red or okay. And change for any text. Here is food and agriculture, sweets, order food online, and here is fruit. Circle, you change circle color, black and green if you like. Here is color. and you can simply change everything, write any text or change font or shape color, change background if you want. Simply these files are fully editable. So I hope this data is useful for you, and subscribe my Telegram channel Sheri Official. Take care, all of you.